In this video for directdampers.co.uk we're going to show you how to put a hinge on with a built-in damper. First of all, remove the back plate. There's quite a lot of adjustment in these, as you can see. Simply take that off. Remove your old hinge and replace with the new one. Quite simple to do these. As you can see, the damper in the back is full metal and not plastic. And now is to put it on the unit. Next is to put the brackets onto the unit. This is quite simple. The existing holes which are there, you may be able to use these or you may not. I'm going to show you how to do them without using these holes, and we're using the 4 screws that are supplied. Take the back plate and get that level with the holes, and also this little prong level with the front. Just mark the holes in the centre like so, and you're better off drilling a little pilot hole, which just makes the screw go in a little easier. Like I say, very simple to fit. Then take the bracket, line it up, and that's the bracket in place. And do the same with the top, and then we're ready to put the door on. Just a point to make with regards to adjusting these hinges are adjustable up and down the bracket. If you find you struggle getting your door on and it's not lined up correctly, by simply loosening these two like that, removing these, you will find that they adjust up and down. It may well be as worth putting these in last when the complete door is fitted. Then when you've got your correct set position where this needs to be, you can then drill and screw them in to hold it in place better. But that's completely up to you. Right, here comes the fun bit, is putting the door on. These 2 little lugs here just simply slot into those slots there. Go. They slide in like that. Tighten them up. And now there you see a nice gentle close. And even if you bang them harder, they still go to a nice finish. If you need to adjust the edge of the door in line with the cabinet, if you need to move it left or right, that's simply done by this adjuster screw right here. By turning that in or out, we'll move the door left or right. Thank you for watching.